UX design is an essential component of product development and is becoming increasingly important as businesses recognize its value in retaining customers and driving growth. In this lesson, we'll cover the key principles of UX design that every designer should know and apply in their work. Consistency is a fundamental principle in UX design. Users should be able to recognize similar elements and patterns across different parts of the product or system. Consistency reduces cognitive load and helps users navigate and interact with the product more easily. This includes visual consistency, for example, colors, fonts, and icons, and functional consistency, for example, interactions, behaviors, and navigation. Creating a simple navigation helps users interact with your product fast and easily. Following common navigation practices is the best way to do this. Jacob's law clarifies the reasoning behind this, stating that users typically spend more time on other websites or apps. As a result, they expect your site or app to function like those they're already accustomed to. Think about the hamburger menu icon, which is 3 lines stacked on top of each other. Almost everyone knows that when you tap on it, you will see the main navigation menu and links to other screens. There is no guessing and no extra mental energy required because users already know exactly what will happen. Every millisecond counts. Telefonica, a leading global mobile network provider, enhanced its mobile site's load times by 70%. This boost in speed contributed to a 31% increase in click-through rates. Another study found that 53% of mobile site visitors abandon a page if it takes over 3 seconds to load. As a UX/UI designer, you can improve speed by optimizing image sizes. Large images may take longer to load, so make sure all images are properly sized. You can compress images or convert them to formats like WebP for faster loading times. A powerful way to minimize user frustration and motivate them to complete tasks successfully is by using a progress bar or stepper in your user interface. Progress bars provide a visual representation of how far users have progressed and how much further they need to go. These components can have a profound impact on the user experience, giving users a sense of control and understanding of what's required to complete the task. Progress bars and steppers also provide feedback and confirmation of whether users' previous interaction was successful. This feedback loop is essential as it helps users correct any errors and build trust in the system. Well-designed steppers should inform users about the following aspects. Story of actions. What steps or tasks the user has already completed. Current location. What is the user's current location within the process? And next, steps. Which and how many steps remain? When users sign up for a new account, they're typically required to create a password. This can often be a frustrating experience as users must come up with a strong password that they will remember. But that is also not easy to guess. Magic links offer a more streamlined and user-friendly experience. Rather than requiring users to remember a password, Magic links allow them to simply click on a link in order to access their account. This is usually much easier for users, especially if they're signing up from the phone. A simple, straightforward design often results in a better user experience. Avoid unnecessary complexity and focus on the most important tasks and features. Users appreciate a clean, uncluttered interface that allows them to complete their tasks efficiently. Avoid requesting extra information during sign-up, as this frequently results in drop-off and lower conversion rates. According to studies, even little adjustments like adding a few optional fields can significantly reduce conversion rate. For this reason, you should always only ask for essential information during the sign-up process. This helps to ensure that users have a positive experience and are more likely to complete the process. It's frustrating when you're working on a task using your phone and you need to close the app, only to find that you must start over when you return. Improved UX would involve preserving the user's progress, enabling them to resume where they left off. This is particularly useful for time-consuming tasks such as completing a form. The save feature could function automatically behind the scenes, ensuring that the user's progress is retained if the app is closed. Alternatively, a prompt could appear, asking the user if they want to save their progress before exiting the app.